Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable quick responses. If your call is busy or something, you can give a quick response like a message. I'm busy right now, call some day later. Or you can, how you can enable this feature in your Redmi 13C mobile phone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the phone app, click on settings, and here it is advanced settings, and here it is a quick responses. Click on it, you can see this. You have to enable this, and when you enable this, the quick responses are there. Can't talk now, call me later. I will call you right back. I will call you later. Can't talk now, WhatsApp. And you can just also change the quick response. If you want another, then you have to just remove this like this, you can see, and you can click on and it will be saved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.